For the EP meeting of ankle, we have to position our patients with their supine or zero on the table with the affected leg in extended position. We have to set an ankle to the IR and adjust ankle joint in anatomical position. To obtain the true AP projection, we must ask our patient to flex their foot and adjust ankle with the toes pointing vertically. Our century is perpendicular to the ankle joint entering midway between malleoli. Our career matter is running to a 2.4 centimeters on size of ankle and 8 inches or 18th centimeters length. Vice and our KVP with lateral imaging of ankle, we have to position the patients who point and roll onto the affected side for report position. We have the center and ankle to the IR and dorsiflex our ankle to 90 degrees angle, and I'll adjust the foot and natural position. Our central is perpendicular to the ankle, June and entering medial mothervolus. Our kilometer is money into 2 by our centimeters on side of ankle and 18 inches or 18 centimeters. Things was including the heel and in the base at the 5th metatarsal, and our KBP 70 in a public imaging of ankle. We have to position the patients so paying or sit at on table for the part position. We have the center dangle through the art like any other ankle imaging, and those of licks their foot place in the ankle at near right angle friction. To match the right position for this imaging, we have to internet rotate the leg and foot together until the 45-degree rotation is achieved. Our central is perpendicular to the ankle joint and entering midway between malleoli. Our culmother is 1 intro 2000 centimeters on size of ankle and 8 inches or 18 centimeters. Lens vice including the heel and our KBPS 70 to capture the motives joint and ankle imaging. We have to position our patient so there are supine or seated on the table. Ankle must be center to the IR. We have to do foot placed in ankle and near right angle flexion, and we need to immediately rotate the entire leg and foot together 15 to 20 degrees until the intermalleolar plane is powered to the R. Our center is perpendicular entering ankle joint midway between malleoli, and our cool matter is the same as any other techniques to Azure KBP. In a few stresses is technique for the junk of ankle. Our patient can either be 2-point on our system on the table with a small support under drainee for the part position. Ankle must be centered by R, and we have to position the ankle for AP projection, meaning to a stress the joint by placing IT in a position of extreme inversion or eversion. After that, we have to be mobilize IT. Our central rate is perpendicular to the ankle joint entering midday malleoli or culmother, and KVP or the same as any other ankle imaging.